how to add education in FastJobs SG or Singapore account. To add your education or your degree to your FastJobs profile, you go ahead and then launch the FastJobs app, and this is the interface that you will see over here. Then from here you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon from bottom right, scroll down, look for the option called education and just tap on it. And here you can see what's your educational background. So tap on add education button here. Then you can type in your education level. Then once you've done that, you can tap on the save button. You can add your degree name or certificate or diploma, to what school you went, to what period you went, and your year of graduation, and then tap on the save button as well. This way you can add an education on FastJobs SG account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.